Alright you guys, so welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because I am launching new products on Beauty by Chi Chi, and it's so crazy to know just about 6 months ago we just launched the brand. Now we're coming out with more products, so I'm just excited to share with you guys what we're coming out with. And y'all can tell I am really like, you know, kind of just freaking out because I'm out of breath right now. So I can't wait to share with you guys what I have in here. And before we do start, make sure you go ahead and like, subscribe, and let's jump right into a video. You guys, I swear whenever I do this type of videos, I get so nervous because I want to make sure you guys see everything that I have. And then I also want to make sure I don't miss out on saying something as well. So just bear with me, but I'm really excited to share with you guys what I have that I'm launching on January the 15th, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But we're coming out with 3 new products. And the first one, you guys, I don't know if y'all are ready for it, but we're coming out with the Minimalist Silk Face Mask Collection. All right, you guys know on my channel I love makeup. I talk about makeup. I breathe, sleep, eat makeup. So when it came to Corona, of course, we have to wear a mask. And for a long time I was kind of, you know, upset about it in the beginning because whenever I used to put it on my face, it would mess my makeup up. And I know it's not that important compared to, you know, the actual virus out there, but it was just kind of an inconvenience. So I sat here for a little bit and I thought about, all right, what is the best material out there that's great for your makeup, of course, that prevents breakouts, that still helps with the disease and the virus out there and all of that. So I thought of silk face mask. Now I call these the Minimalist Silk Face Mask Collection because of the colors. They're very basic and simple, but they will go with a lot of, you know, looks out there. Now the first one I do want to mention is called Pearl, and this is a pure white silk face mask. I should probably get them out the packaging, right? Let me do that. So now that I took them out the packaging, let me share with you guys each individual color. So the first one is called Pearl, and this is a simple white face mask. But also the best part about these face masks is they are adjustable, as y'all can see. Hopefully my camera focuses, but it has these 2 fins right here. I'll show you guys what they look like, but this helps to adjust the face mask in case it's too big or too small on your face. But the reason why I love this silk face mask so much is because, you guys, it is super comfortable on the face. You can breathe with this. It doesn't mess your makeup up. And then also it helps to prevent breakouts as well. I noticed my chin was breaking out a lot with the other face mask. With this, because of the material, is super gentle on the skin, and it's also antibacterial as well. So these are my favorite as of recently. Of course, I wear them all the time. So this one is called Pearl. Now the next one I do have for you guys is called Slate, and it's a gray silk face mask. This one is just so cute, you guys. Like, I want to put them on, but I have lip gloss right now. But this is what it would look like. Super breathable, and of course it is adjustable as well. And then also, my favorite color out of the whole collection is called Rose Nude. And I feel like the name just fits the color. It's a pinky nude color. And I just, y'all, I love this mask and the color. It is so pretty. I wear it all the time, honestly, because it is my favorite color out of the collection. And of course, last but not least, I do have Onyx, which is a straight jet black silk face mask. And I love this color, of course, because it will go with any makeup look, outfit, anything like that. It's just a basic color that you need in your collection. So with that being said, you guys, this is the Minimalist Silk Face Mask Collection. I hope you guys are excited. Like I mentioned before, these are $8 individually and $28 for the whole 4 as a bundle. So make sure you go ahead and grab this on Friday. But moving on to the next one, I do want to mention, I feel like when it comes to lashes, a lot of people always ask me, how do you clean your lashes? Like, how do you go about cleaning your lashes and making sure they're clean and still fluffy and maintain their shape and all of that? So after getting so many questions on that, I decided to go ahead and make my own foaming lash cleanser. All right, you guys, so this will come in a kit, as y'all can see, for about $11, and it has a bunch of goodies in here. So let me go ahead and pull it out. So I went ahead and took everything out the packaging, and like I mentioned to you guys, it does come as a whole kit for $11, but I want to share with you guys the foaming lash cleanser itself. And this is 100% made by me, you guys, because I want to make sure I made the perfect formula, and I also love this color as well. So with that being said, it does have almond oil in it, so keep that in mind if you do have allergies. But it also has jojoba oil as well, and aloe, and you do get about 50 milliliters with this. Now this cleanser, you guys, is so good because what I do is I go ahead and grab my lash and I put about half a pump to a full pump on there, and all I do is I go ahead and grab this brush and just go through it like this, as y'all can see, all over my lashes, and I make sure it's super clean and squeaky. Super clean and squeaky. Clean and squeaky is what I'm trying to say. But I make sure it's super clean, you guys, and just get all the stuff and dirt off of it. And then after that, what I do is I take the 2 swabs that I include in the kit and I wet it with water just to dry the lashes off and leave it for a second or 2 to really dry. And the best part is with this formula, it doesn't take a long time for the lashes to dry, because if you're in a rush and your lashes are dirty and you want it to be clean, you want it to take a couple minutes and that's it. And with this formula, it's very, very quick drying, which I love. Now, after that, you go ahead and use your spoolie to brush your lashes out. And then after that, you guys, you're good to go. And so with all of that being said, I included a little instruction card for you guys because I want to make sure y'all can see all the instructions that I just mentioned on here. As long as you follow this, you're good to go. So I hope you guys are excited for this kit. I think it's super cute to have everything in one. And also I want to make sure it's affordable because you guys know when it comes to my brand, I don't want anything to be super overpriced. I want it to be affordable, but great quality at the same time. So make sure you go ahead and grab this on Friday. I cannot wait to see you guys' thoughts on this one. So the last item to me is super exciting because you guys know I originally came out with my Mink 3D lashes, which everybody was so supportive and just absolutely loved. So it made me happy. But I had a lot of questions. A lot of people did mention if I was coming out with faux mink lashes because they wanted a more vegan option. So with that being said, we're coming out with 4 new lashes that are completely 100% vegan. And they have a new color packaging as well, you guys. These are white compared to the old one, which I have right here, that are gray. So this is our 3D Mink Lash Collection box, and then this one is our Faux Mink Collection. And I went ahead and changed the back of the boxes because originally they did look like this in the beginning, which is still super cute, but I want to go ahead and make it a little bit more personal. So this one here, if my camera can focus, says Faux Mink Lash, and it has all the specifics as well. And the new boxes do have for the 3D Mink lashes, they do have this as well, but it does say 3D Mink Lash. Actually, let me go ahead and grab it for you guys and show you what I mean. So here's what I'm talking about, you guys. So the top one is the Faux Mink Lash, y'all can see right there, and the bottom one is the Mink Lash. I just thought it was a little bit easier if I go ahead and label it for you guys so you know which one is which. And also, before we go ahead and jump right into it, I do want to mention these are going for $12 on the website, so super affordable, right? So let's go ahead and jump right into each lash, like the meaning and all of that. So the first one I'm wearing on my eyes actually is called Winging It, and this lash I've been wearing for a couple months now, and people have been asking me what lash it is, and it's basically this lash. Out of this whole collection, this one is my absolute favorite because it does have that small to long lash effect that I love for the eyes so much. And this is what it looks like in the packaging. So let me pull this for you guys so y'all can get a good look at it. And it's so pretty, you guys. I literally wear this lash all the time. And the reason why I called it Winging It, obviously, is because it is a winged out lash, all right? It makes sense. I hope you guys understand that. But this one's my absolute favorite. I wear it all the time. It goes with any look out there. And it's just perfect. I love it. Love it so much. So now moving on to the next lash, we do have Flutter, which is one of my favorites, and it's a more dramatic lash. But the reason why I do call it Flutter, you guys, is because whenever I do wear this lash, I kind of catch myself like batting my eyes a little bit. Like I was wearing it one day and I was just like blinking a lot. So the word Flutter came to mind, and that's just what I wanted to name it. But this lash goes with any makeup look. Honestly, all these lashes go with any makeup look. But if you want more of a dramatic effect, this lash is for you. Absolutely one of my favorites. Now moving over to one of the ones that I feel like a lot of people are gonna love. This one is called Dreamy, you guys. It's so pretty. And I feel like I forgot to show you guys the other names of the lashes so y'all can see all of them. So you have Winging It, Flutter, and then you have Dreamy. Dreamy is the perfect name for this lash because it's a very subtle lash, you guys, but it just adds like this effect to your eyes that makes it so pretty. Like once you put this on, you realize it's very natural on the eyes. It's not dramatic at all, but it gives a very just beautiful effect on the eyes. I love this one for a natural everyday wear. as y'all can see. So this is Dreamy. I think it's the perfect name for this lash, and I know it's a lot of people out there love natural lashes, so I feel like with this one you're gonna love it as well. So the last lash I do have for you guys is called Angel Wings, you guys, and I love this lash. Now, to be honest, when I first named this, I was like, I don't know if that's a little bit weird and out there. Angel Wings, like I've never heard of a lash called Angel Wings, but when I saw this lash, you guys, that's the first name that came to mind. As y'all can see, the way it's shaped and everything like that, it reminds me of angel wings. So this is a very beautiful small to long lash, you guys, and it adds the most subtle effect to the eyes. It looks super dramatic in the packaging, but for me it's really not. It's super natural, but it does have a little bit of a dramatic effect at the same time. So it's natural and dramatic, if that makes sense. But either way, you guys, I love this lash. I go ahead and pop it on and it just makes my eyes super elongated, beautiful. I wear this all the time, you guys. So with that being said, you guys, this is the whole collection. Again, I do want to mention the names one more time for you guys. So we do have Winging It, Flutter, Dreamy, and Angel Wings as well. All of this and the face mask and also the lash kit cleanser will be launching this Friday, January 15th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm so excited for you guys to go ahead and try these products out. There's so much products, you guys, coming this year. I cannot wait to share. And also, I do want to mention, if you're not following Beauty by Chi Chi on Instagram, you're missing out, you guys, because I've been teasing you guys about the new lip glosses that are launching this spring that are going to be made by me 100%. And the colors, you guys, I cannot wait. All right, if you love nudes, that's all I'm gonna say. All right, nude colors all the way, so get excited. But yes, thank you guys so much for the support. I love you guys so much. Make sure you go ahead and like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.